Hi there, welcome back. So I'm doing this 2002 Lincoln Navigator. So I'm gonna show you the tools I use to remove this heater pipe assembly. So that's the information right there, heater hose assembly right there. The part number is 626583. There you go guys, so you can get it at AutoZone. There you go. So let me show you here. So you have to remove a 30mm bolt from that hole right there that you see moving right there. These are the bolts that hold the alternator, 10mm, 10 socket. I use the 8 socket to remove the battery terminals. This one damaged. Remove both of them. So I put the alternator to this side so I can get to the hose. Also there's a clamp that goes to this end of the pipe right here, and also a small hose that goes to this piece, but a piece rotten from it. So let me show you guys how I get it off. So you have to twist it, you raise it up in the air like this, twist it and push it off while turn it. I'm not showing that perfect, but at least you have an idea guys. Alright, so get it off. There you go guys, so you can see this piece rotten, so it leaks all the coolant from the system. So it's that pipe right there, that's water dripping from coolant. That's where it go on. Right. And for the tensioner to remove the belt, I need the half-inch drive ratchet angle, so I use a ratchet angle extended one. I get this one from Abba Freight. There you go guys, 2002 Lincoln Navigator. So I hope this video helped you guys out here. So if you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you. There you go. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.